Buying call options on Questrade allows you to speculate on the price increase of an underlying stock. Here's a step-by-step guide to purchasing call options. Log into your Questrade account. Access your account via Questrade's website or the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Ensure options trading access. Verify you have an account type that allows options trading, such as a margin account. If needed, enable options trading by contacting Questrade. Access Questrade Edge. Use Questrade Edge, their advanced trading platform. You can access it via desktop or the web. Navigate to the Options section. In Questrade Edge, locate the Options tab. Enter the stock symbol for which you want to buy call options. Select the call option. View the options chain for the stock. This lists available call options with various strike prices and expiration dates. Choose a call option. Select a call option based on your strategy. Consider the strike price and expiration date that align with your market outlook. Place the order. Click on the chosen call option and select Buy. Enter the number of contracts you wish to purchase. Set the order type, specifying the price at which you want to buy. Review and confirm. Review the order details for accuracy. Confirm and submit your order. Monitor your position. Track the performance of your call options and be prepared to act based on market movements.